Welcome to Wallpaperland.ae. If you're looking to transform your Dubai home with stylish and unique wall coverings, you've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring the best wallpaper selections that can add personality and flair to any room in your home. Let's dive in. 1. Explore a wide range of styles. At Wallpaperland.ae, we offer an extensive range of wallpaper styles to suit every taste. From classic damask patterns to modern geometric designs, our collection has something for everyone. Whether you want a bold statement wall or a subtle, elegant touch, you'll find the perfect option here. 2. Premium quality for long-lasting beauty. Our wallpapers are crafted from high-quality materials to ensure they not only look great, but also stand the test of time. We offer durable options that are easy to maintain, so your walls stay beautiful for years. Plus, our selection includes washable and peel and stick options for easy application and care. 3. Perfect for every room. Whether you're redecorating your living room, bedroom, or even your office, we have the perfect wallpaper to suit each space. Looking to create a cozy atmosphere in the bedroom? Try our textured wallpapers. Want to add some drama to your living room? Check out our bold, graphic designs. 4. Expert advice and customization. Need help deciding? Our team at Wallpaperland.ae is here to assist you with expert advice and recommendations. We also offer customization services, allowing you to create a wallpaper that's truly unique to your style and space. Why choose Wallpaperland.ae? Dubai is famous for luxury and style. At Wallpaperland, we offer premium wallpapers to turn any room into a masterpiece, with modern, classic, or uniquely textured designs to suit every style and budget. How to order your wallpaper in Dubai? Ordering from Wallpaperland is quick and easy. Visit our website, go to Wallpaperland.ae to browse our extensive collection. Select your favorite. Use our intuitive filters to find the perfect wallpaper for your space. Place your order. Add your chosen design to the cart, proceed to checkout, and fill in your details. Fast delivery. Sit back and relax while we deliver your order right to your door anywhere in Dubai. Ready to refresh your home with a new look? Start exploring Dubai's best wallpaper selection today at Wallpaperland.ae. Whether you're renovating your living room, bedroom, or office, we've got the perfect wallpaper waiting for you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Don't wait. Visit Wallpaperland.ae today and start shopping for the perfect wallpaper to elevate your space.